As I've been waking up to the magic of herbs, one of the simplest things I've learned about is herbal infusions. Basically, infusing herbs into some sort of carrier liquid to collect the medicinal values and magic. You can infuse herbs into many things: oils for cooking, skin or salve making, alcohol for tincturing, water for teas and drinks, vinegar for hair rinses or herbal vinegars for cooking, and even honey. So that's what we're going to do today. This video, I'm going to share with you the first herbal honey recipe I've tried from Kami McBride's The Herbal Kitchen book, which I highly recommend, and she has many other herbal honey recipes. So for this recipe, you're going to need 1 cup of honey. Raw and local is preferred so that you get all the medicinal properties from the honey. 3 tablespoons of powdered rose hips, 2 tablespoons powdered rose petals. I'm doubling this recipe, and I don't have powdered rose petals, so I'm using a mortar and pestle to grind them down as much as I can. First, heat your honey on low to make sure it's easier to pour and mix. Once it's warm, measure out your herbs and add them to a sterilized jar or container, and then slowly pour your honey in. I recommend doing this step outside so that you can enjoy the beauty of the golden, glistening honey in the sunlight. It's quite magical. Mix your herbs into the honey so everything is fully integrated, and then label with the name and the date and store for 2 weeks while the herbs and the honey marry together and make their magic. I recommend just flipping the jar over every day so that the honey can slowly integrate on its own. As I'm stirring, I like to say a spell or prayer to infuse some extra intention into my creation. Bless this body, bless these bones, child, maiden, mother, crone. Bless this body, bless these bones, child, maiden, mother, crone. And then you can enjoy, after 2 weeks, in tea or on toast or wherever else you want to use it. I hope you have fun with this and this inspires you to bring herbs more into your everyday life and enjoy the beautiful, miraculous medicines that we have access to through our gorgeous planet Earth. Thanks for being here, friends. And leave a comment below. Let me know, how did this work for you? Have you tried herbal honeys before? And what herbal videos would you like to see next? I'm a beginner at this, so I'm just sharing what I'm learning, but I would love to hear from you what you'd like to learn. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share with a friend who you think would enjoy this video. Thanks so much. Blessings, friends.